Hello everyone, a very good morning to one and all. Today we are going to learn about a new chapter which is about action speaks louder. Well, what is this? It's a proverb. Action speaks louder means the actions which we do matters more rather than simply saying that I'll do this, I'll do that, right? Let me tell you one story that will be clear with that. Once there was a king and he wanted to test the character of his people in his kingdom over there. So he purposely placed one rock in the center of the road over there. He wanted to test how people will react to that. So soon after that very time itself, few people came. The very first one was a man. He was simply passing through over there, but he was in quite hurry, so he didn't look at it and he went on his journey over there. Then the second person who came over there was one lady. What was the lady? What she did? She noticed that rock over there. She noticed that it is in between the road over there. Instead of doing something, instead of placing that rock to the other side of the road, what she did? She just simply thought about it and cursed the king and went over there. She also didn't put any kind of effort over there to change the place of the rock so that it will be easy for her as well as for the other passerbys. But she also went from there. Next came two men over there. They were friends over there, they were talking, and while they passed out that very rock over there, what they did? Similarly, they also cursed the king and went away. Then there came the very last man. What he did? He tried to move the rock and he tried to change the position of that very rock over there. He actually did, rather than simply cursing the king over there, he tried to change the things over there. He put his efforts over there. And when he has tried to lift up that very rock over there, he found out a note over there under that very rock. What was written on that very note? That this is the reward. Along with that very note, it was written that on that very note, he is going to get a reward for that very action which he has done. He will get gold coins from the king over there. Thus, what we learnt about that? If only we will simply talk about simple things that I will do this, I will do that, we will not get the things done. Nothing will change. Things will be same only. We can take this very example in our case also. While studying, what we are doing? We are simply dreaming. We are daydreaming that I will stood first, I will stood second, or I'll score, I'll improve my marks over there. But are we doing something to improve those? No, we are not. How we will improve that? By studying over there, by working hard over there, right? That is what this very proverb itself says, that action speaks louder. Rather than simply saying it's time to do the things and it's time to change the things. So we should always firmly believe in this very proverb and we should work accordingly. So that's all for your chapter. Go through it and try to solve your question answers of this very chapter. Thank you.